What's up, guys, and welcome one more time here to BitBrothers Crypto, a place where you learn and discover new opportunities every single day. I am Casquinha Crypto, and today we have a nice show for you. Let me open here my supposedly, if it's working, my computer, my other computer, my internet in the house today is like the bear market. It's going down, 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 and down. Just to let you guys know, we are crypto bear market and how to become a crypto millionaire. Why we have this title today? Because making wealth and creating millionaires are creating now in this time. We are in a very crucial moment of the market because, as I was talking to Papa here offline, we're saying how the market can go. Maybe the bottom is. Papa believe that maybe the bottom is already there. I still believe that Bitcoin will drop to 12 or even lower, but that's me. And if that happens, I think a lot of tokens will also drop. I would like to share with something with you guys here. Very, very nice. And then Papa can take over. Let me just put it here. Let me open 1 second. Let me see here. My internet is so beautiful, working so nicely. Let it go here. Let me share here. Papa, can you still hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. So Papa, where is it? You just see black, né? Okay,
Yeah.
now can you see it?
Yeah.
All right. Cryptocurrency price 1 year ago today. Okay, guys, you guys are here at the BitBrothers Crypto. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel because we do bring you quality content. Okay. So literally, I went to do a little research today on the crypto market 1 year ago today. Okay, so Bitcoin 1 year ago, 26th of July 2021, Bitcoin was at 39,406, and today it's at 21,128 by the time that I did the research in the morning. Ethereum was 2,233, and today 1,422. VeChain was at 7 cents, and today 2 cents. Matic was $1, and today 76 cents. So as you can see here, this is the today. The ones in greens are the ones that are still in profit today. If you have bought it, Solana, for example, 1 year ago, $28.31. Today would be $35.72. Dogecoins at 0.20 cents and 0.06 cents today. AVAX $11, today $20. Shiba Inu 506 and today 401. ADA Cardano $1.25 1 year ago and 0.47 cents today. Crow, which is the native token from crypto.com, 11 cents a year ago and 11 cents today. BNB $304 today at 243. XRP 0.62 cents a year ago and today half of the price at 33 cents. Tron 0.05 and today 0.06. And Hex at 12 cents a year ago and today 0.4. Okay, as we watch it, as we see this, just before go back here. Let me go here again. Wait. Let me go here. Wait 1 second. This needs to open. Here, this one. Let me see if it's gonna open, guys. This one here. So, just for a fun fact, if you have invested $1,000 in Bitcoins 10 years ago, you would have 3,428,000 today. So
This is today's price, right?
yeah. Not today. This is on the 24th of July. I'm sorry. This is from the 24th of July.
Yeah, but I mean,
Anyways,
it's like
2 days
today's price,
ago.
not the all-time high.
No. No all-time high. No all-time high. But
So that
this
means in the
first,
all-time high, you would have $10 million.
exact. So not only this, relax. Not only this. This is not only to tell you that, where is it? Ugh. I tell you, when the internet doesn't work, I want to throw the computer out of the window.
I tell you.
Okay. So I tell you. So what I'm telling you, that Bitcoins, if you invest 10 years ago, you'd be a millionaire with $1,000. And honestly, if you're going to invest and you invest $1,000 and you are willing to lose that money, you don't care about that $1,000. You invest and you hold, because that's what makes you to succeed within the crypto space. Okay. So now when we look here at these numbers, as the number sits there, what do you see? $39. And you see today, 1 year after, at $10,000 cheaper. Do you
20,
see?
né, Casca? Almost 20.
No, almost, no, $10,000 cheaper. It was it's 21 today.
21 to 40, man. It's
Bravo. Yeah, exactly.
$18,000 cheaper.
So
18,000.
what do you see? Do you see opportunity, or do you see as FUD? No, cryptocurrency is not going to work. This is not going to happen. That's where we are sitting today. In the white numbers here is where we are sitting today. No, on the yellow and green is where we're sitting today. If goes back, which is not the all-time high, if it goes back not to the all-time high, just to the same price of a year ago. So if you put like 21,000 and goes back to 39, you almost get $20,000. Do you understand the power and potential that you have? And that's why I say that this may be this time we are now, the bear market we are now, that it maybe is the opportunity of a lifetime. The time that we are now is an opportunity of a lifetime. What I see is the Hex is the first top 100. I hope so too, because I do have a lot of Hex. So I also want to see Hex on top 100. Another thing, very important. Remember that, 1 million, a lot of people say this, that the millionaires in crypto are created in times of now. Look at the price. Look at the price of the tokens. ADA was $1.25. They believe will grow. Matic, Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Hex, AVAX, Doge, and other projects. And then, of course, we go back to the research, study, understanding where you're going to put your money in. Do this sort of research. See, I like this project. How much was this project a year ago? Where was this project in the last bull run? Did it exist? What did it do? What does this project do? It will be here on the next bull run. It will make you the excess or the gains that you're expecting. Don't just throw your money out there, because I can tell you for sure, the probability of you losing your investment is bigger. As simple as that. It's big. You will lose your money if you don't do your homework. So look at these numbers. And what I see, I can tell you what I see. I see opportunity. If the market will drop more, if we have not yet done the bottom, those yellows number there will probably drop more. So imagine that Bitcoin dropped to 12K. And imagine what's going to happen to the other numbers if Bitcoin dropped to 12K. That's what you need to think. So Remember, we always saying here, DCA in and DCA out. Be careful what you do. Be always vigilant to your investment. And yeah, I think that was quite cool. I think that was quite nice. And Papa,
Oi.
you can say Papa. Ow.
Nice one, guys. Nice one, Casca. Thank you so much, guys. So yeah, like Casca said, thank you, Turtles Only, for being with us today. He said, what I see is that Hacks is in the first top 100. I think Hacks is in the top 100 for a long time, but of course, there are metrics that they use in coin market cap and coin game.
Politics.
Yeah, there's a lot of politics involved. That's why you won't see in the top 100, but I believe it's in the top 100 for a while. So anyway, I hope it is for real. Okay, so guys, let's quickly look at the market now and see what we can take from what's happening right now in the market, and then we can talk a little bit as well. I have today. Yeah, I know you meant today. Yeah, like, that's what I'm saying, but we'll check later, my man. Thank you. So, guys, you can see market cap today below $1 trillion, which is not good. But yeah, we broke this. Was a nice resistance there at 1 trillion. Still around there. Comparing that, the market volatility like 45 billion is not crazy money, but it probably went like $100 billion came off in the last week or so, in the last days. So Bitcoin coming at 20,963 at 5% a week, and Ethereum suffering today, $1,400, 388 at 10% on a weekly. That's crazy, guys. So again, guys, I was saying to Casca before we came out, there's so many technical analysis that I follow that most of them said that the probability that the bottom is in already is very, very high. Okay, so Casca said that he believes it can go to 12,000, 13,000. I don't believe, but if it goes to that price, like I said, I don't believe, but it can happen because everything can happen in this market. But if it goes to, it's going to be so quick, guys. If you're not there in front of the screen, you will probably lose this dip, okay? Because the dip's going to be, I think if it's going to happen, that's going to be just 1 week. Because I think people like Michael Saylor and people who has a lot of money, they have buying orders definitely at this price. And this is going to feel really, really quick, okay? So...
Oh, Papa, just saying one thing there on the buy order things, you remind of something. People who believe if you're the small trader, like us, people, if you're trading there, you're the retail guys, you will never win against an institution like Tesla, Michael Saylor, those people, because they have bots ready to buy and to sell. So that's why you need to always be careful there. We can remember all these big companies, they only pump their bag. They're not here to pump your bag. So you have to be smart on that. So be careful on the trade. Be careful if you do trade. That's why Pap, we always on the long-term investment.
Yeah. So guys, you can see now, taking from the weekly because of the last week's pump. Look at that, 18%. Let's check who's the biggest winners and losers of today. Trust Wallet at 11%. Bitcoin Gold. EOS is holding 1%. Okay, but 7% on the day is crazy. So let's just check who's the losers. Guys, 27% of our weave. Solana 24%. I don't even know what's going on with this Terra Classic, guys. That's really crazy there. It's actually 3 cents now, Casca. Look at this. I actually hold some Terra Classic, so 3 cents. Oh my God, that's crazy.
3 cents, that's ridiculous, man. No,
So
it's at the 99 position still.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. How crazy is this? So we never know. Like we say, this crypto market, guys, is a bit insane. So we never know. So, but you can see like everything about 20% lower. Gala at 21%. Low. Yes. 1 second, guys. Alright. Pode falar, meu bem.
Ai, nossa, tá rindo coisa?
Tô live. Sorry, guys. My wife just came in and asked if I'm live. So, yeah, guys, you can see here, I see there a lot of opportunities on here. You know, Gala, Arweave, and Solana. Oh, man, that's such a good... Thorchain at 20%, Polygon at 20%, Near Protocol 19. Anyway, so, you know, is the bottom in? If the bottom is already in, today is a bargain day. Red days are bargain days. Like we always said, you know, if you're going to DCA, dollar cost average, today is the day because it's red. Should I buy loads? No, guys. There's, at this time, we should have money, fiat there. Okay, so if you have $1,000, you could maybe put today, I don't know, $50, $100. Okay, so it's not to put like, you know, a big bag today, because if it goes lower, you can buy another 100. You know, if it goes even lower, buy another 100. You know, why you buying 100? You can be saving another 100 for if it goes any lower. You can maybe put a bigger bag. Yeah. If guys, and if it goes to 12,000, believe me, if I had $1,000 when it goes 12,000, I put all in straight away. Okay. You know, for me, it's like I'm not gonna be. Don't be too greedy, thinking it's gonna be going lower, because then you're gonna lose the boat, and you'll be buying on the way up by FOMO, and FOMO is not the best way to come into the market. Okay, fear of missing out. You buy on the way up, and then you think, guys, the cycle is like this. The psychological cycle is this. Believe me, because I went through, Casca went through, we all went through. The psychological states are: we have money, we want to buy the dip. Okay, the thing goes to the dip, we think it's gonna go lower, so you don't buy the dip. You keep your money. Things start to go up, you either buy, and then when things retrace a little bit, you either panic sell, or you don't DCA anymore. It's really crazy. And then you don't DCA when you have a dip, because then you expected another dip. I'm gonna DCA now because I bought, I don't know, put a price. Let's say it goes to 1,000, and then you buy 1,000 because it's the dip, and then it goes to 900 after you bought it for 1,000, and then you don't have any more money, and then and you think, I'm gonna wait to go to 800, and then goes to 800. You don't have money, and then suddenly goes to 1,200. Then you start to buy because you think, oh man, I'm gonna miss it out. Okay, so it's always like this. You're either missing out on the way up, on the way down. So do not worry about this. Just buy little bits every time it goes down. Okay, I think it's the safest bet you can do. Not financial advice. So guys, I keep saying this COVID, follow him, please, guys. He has so many things here that you should read. I'm not going to read everything, because a big thread about on-chain data can give you a big edge in crypto, but you need to know how to use it properly. Here's how to use it on chain data and evaluate the market. Guys, I'm just going to retweet here on the BitBrothers crypto Twitter. If you don't follow us, there's brothers at brothers crypto with I, not Y. Okay, brothers crypto, the crypto word with I. Follow us there as well. Now I just retweet that. In this, I'm just going to talk a little bit about what they show in this, and then just the first metrics. Then you can have your time there. In this thread, we will cover some introductory on-chain signals that will help you evaluate how the market's doing. We're covering active addresses, number of transactions, UTXO, LTH, and STH. I forgot about what means this. He's going to say, let's dive in. On-chain data is the data, and if on the blockchain is transparent and free. With it, you can gauge network strength, evaluate market conditions, identify movement, and a lot more. In this one, we'll cover some basic concepts and use them to evaluate the market. Number of active addresses. The number of active addresses represents the number of wallets that participate in the network as a sender or receiver. It shows us how many people were active each day. It helps us understand the strength of the network. Okay, guys, so be aware of this. And then he shows the graphic here. You can see that how many people were. This is the Bitcoin chart. You can see here, every time there was a spike, there's many more people active on the network. Look, every time there's the high, there's much more people active. So there was this little spike here. more people active there. So he shows here. So what it tells us, the number of active addresses usually maximum when price is the highest. As price increase, interest in the network increases, bringing more people in. At the top, a lot of beginners come in. However, long time holders then take profits and price drops. You can see here, the long time holders is where they take profits every single time that there's on the top, there's a spikes here. You can see, he shows here. I found that it was really interesting. What it tells us, as price drops, interest fades, and those only in for a quick profit leave. This leads to a decline in active addresses. With each cycle, if the active increases, it shows the interest and demands are increasing, okay? So that's why we can see this decreasing of interest, guys, because, every single time, the price goes down, people do not get interested in it. So, and he shows many more things, how to look into it. I found that really interesting, this unspent transaction output. Unspent, okay, are like cash. They represent a certain amount of the token and cannot be divided further. Say you have 1 Bitcoin and want to send 0.7 Bitcoin to someone, you can't break your 1 Bitcoin and give them half of it. Think of UTXO as cash. What if is a UTXO worth 1 Bitcoin in a transaction? You send over your entire UTXO of 1 Bitcoin. You get 0.25 Bitcoin back as a separate UTXO. Think of it as handling someone a $10 bill and getting back $2.5 in charge. Your wallet is made up of multiple UTXOs. 1 Bitcoin could be made up of 0.4 Bitcoin UTXO and 0.6 Bitcoin UTXOs. $100 in your wallet could be made up of 5ers and 10ers. Okay, so guys, then he comes a long way explaining why this UTXO is important. So again, basically, when you have this UTXO thing, UTXO, it becomes like money. You can't divide infinite, okay? So it makes transactions less dividable, so people has to invest more in it. So he explains all of it here. So he puts short and long-term hodlers. He explains what's the best for them. What tells us we can use long-time hodlers to go, short-time hodlers and long-time hodlers so he explained the behavior of every single one of them, and and see if you are in each one are you there. Okay, this is extremely bullish. Crypto Rover said more and more wallets are starting to own over one whole Bitcoin. Okay, so I just wanted to leave you guys that although the market's going down, but there are a lot of people buying, guys. So please do not think that because things are bearish, people are not buying. Okay, we have this idea that sometimes people are not buying, things are bearish, people are not buying, and I'm going to leave the market. But it's not. Yeah, the metrics shows different stuff. Like Casca said, the whales and institutions are there to pump their bags, not ours, unfortunately. So they are ready to dump on you and buy back when you panic sell. Okay. So guys, that's it today from me. Casca, do you have anything to say?
No, everything's cool. Everything's great. Enjoy. Remember, now is the time you will invest on yourself, because the more knowledge you know, the more things you know, better will be your decisions make. Right, Papa?
Of course, always.
All right, guys. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.